Don't let people walk over you. Don't let people walk over you. That just says all about it. Because the more often you give people permission to be in and out of your life whenever they feel like, indirectly you are telling them that you are more important than my own worth. And at the first place, if you are doing so, you yourself don't know what your worth is. So, today we are going to talk about setting up boundaries and why they are healthy, and you are not selfish to think so. And in today's scenario, it is more important. And ऐसा क्यों है? क्योंकि we live in a world where social media is in everyone's reach. आजकल हर कोई Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, you name a social media platform and you will find that most of the people have access to it. And therefore, they don't realize what mistake they have done to the other person. We ourselves see how often we spend time with ourselves and analyze our behavior towards others and our own self. Very rarely. And that's a matter of concern. Why, you may ask? Because, for example, you may have come across this situation many times where your friend or you yourself have done something which isn't the appropriate way of dealing with the situation, and you just sideline it because it takes effort to commit to your own mistake, to understand your own mistake, what you have done, and take responsibility for it. It comes with the responsibility, and you want to deny that because in your mind, you are that person who can't be wrong, or you feel embarrassed to accept your own mistake. But what if I say that embarrassment is just for a few seconds and it will vanish away with the time? And more than that, you are becoming a good human in that process by accepting your own mistake and confronting it to the other person that, hey, listen, the way I acted was inappropriate and it made you feel hurt, and I'm sorry for that. And just see how stress free that feels like. And the other person is also happy to have a person like you in their life who can take responsibility for what they have done wrong. And same goes with the person who have done so in your life, who just don't care. And then come back again with the same personality and expecting that you will accept that person. They'll just drop a hi in your DM and carry on as if nothing has happened, as if they haven't done anything which crossed your boundaries. And you, poor fellow, allow that person to be however they want to be because you want to be a good person. You want to be kind to everyone else. But that is not kindness. In that mask of kindness, or however you would like to call it, what you are doing is you are blurring your value. And as I said, at the first step, you don't know even what your worth is. And for that, my friend, you have to work on yourself. Even if that means isolating yourself, do that, because it comes with so much information that you haven't been presented with. It comes with a lot of realization and understanding that you are more than what you have always thought of, and you are more than what people have always made you feel like. And you also get a clarity of what it is to be you when outside noise is cleared out. When you isolate yourself, you are just by yourself, working on yourself, observing your behavior, analyzing them, and taking the right steps so that you are moving forward with more clarity, purpose, and a sense of being good. You get a sense that not everyone can be however they want to be in your life, because you also have a peace of mind, and that is to be respected. Otherwise, your life just becomes messy and chaotic. Your relationships, they fall down, tear apart, just because you don't have clarity what's good and what's right. And it's also not like we can define or we can put what goods and what is right in different boxes. Sometimes, not sometimes, basically most of the times, our life is in grays, not in black and white. But we as humans have this quality that nature has given to us to, to analyze the situation and take our steps accordingly. If we have a peaceful mind, because with peace we can see the picture clearly, but when it's scattered and contained by a variety of thoughts, we are not able to see what the actual reality is, because उसमें लोगों के थॉट्स, ठीक है, लोग क्या कहते हैं, ये पर्सन का क्या कहना है, ऐसा करेंगे तो ऐसा हो जाएगा. There are many thoughts. So you see, when we isolate, we get to see the actual reality. As wise people have said, that all the answers that we are looking for is within ourselves, and they are very much true about it. It's so much true. And with that, you'll also get clarity who should be in your access, who should you allow into your life. And next time when somebody reaches out to you without apologizing, or even if the apology has been made, but they are repeating the same act, they don't deserve to be in your life. Simply, they don't. Stay away from them. Create distance. And there are multiple reasons why people struggle, and I myself also struggle with this, creating boundaries, because we aren't taught about it. I didn't knew कि ऐसा भी कुछ होता है, boundaries create करना. But जैसे जैसे I was indulging myself into reading books, listening to podcasts, and experiencing life, Life taught me more than books and podcasts that it's so much important. It's so much important. Yeah, so the reasons I talked about can be your mindset of scarcity, that there's lack of people who are good. There's lack of people who can be of the vibe of you are. Or you may be coming from a childhood where your family or the surrounding normalized it, where people made mistakes and still make mistakes and still cross boundaries and will cross boundaries, but you still give them access to you. That can be the reason. Another reason, lack of clarity about your own value or what you value in other people. That is also the reason. And your fear of what will be the outcome when I raise my voice and say to that person that, hey, this is not right. I feel hurt and you should take responsibility for it. We fear the consequence of it कि हमें फाइट करना पड़ेगा, पर्सन बुरा मान जाएगा, उसके बाद क्या होगा. सो इट कम्स विद अ लॉट ऑफ हेडेक. ऐसा लगता है हमें, बट क्या वो हेडेक कम है जो उनके एक्सेस से आ रहा है? जस्ट क्वेश्चन दैट थिंग and you'll get the answer. Another thing is that after we have seen the situation and also analyzed ourselves कि क्या करना चाहिए and what our values are and how we would like to continue with life or with people, there are solutions to it. As I have said, stay away from them, distance, and take time to know yourself. And when you are in a situation, then what can you do? Put people in their position. What I mean by that is that उसी वक्त question them or just speak to them that this was not appropriate and you should take responsibility for it, and I will not like the same behavior again. So you better what is the word for that? So you better conduct yourself better. And believe there is more for everyone. Believe that. Because what you believe is how you will act and how your energy will be. If you have a mindset of scarcity, you'll attract more of the opportunities or people. Not only attract, but you will maintain those kind of people and situations in your life. Because you can encounter situations of scarcity and of abundance, but if you have the abundant mindset, you'll choose the abundant one. But if you have scarcity, the abundant one will feel too much for you. So have the mindset of abundance. That is the thing. And lastly, it is not your job to make everyone happy. You can't. I know it hurts to see people struggling spiritually, mentally, in whatever way. We there are people like me who like to feel like, can we heal them? Can we make them feel good? Let's not do this with them. They have already gone through much. But we also we have also gone through so much. And sometimes, not sometimes, most of the times it's better for people, for us also, to let them be how they are. Because with time, they'll also realize, with time, they'll also work on themselves and understand that they need to change. And that's healthy for both of us, for them and for us. Cut people who constantly makes you question your worth. So actually, I have written all these points which need to be covered in the video so that I don't miss. But if I continue with it, then it would be a long video and it's already 16 minutes. So I want to wrap it up by saying, work on yourself, stop seeking acceptance, and don't think, yeah, this is very important. Don't think that putting yourself first will make you selfish. Because hum Indians, and not only Indians, I think this is human. ज़्यादातर humans कैसे सोचते हैं कि अगर हम अपने आप को पहले रखते हैं तो we are being selfish, we are not thinking about others, we are not caring about others. But this is the wrong mentality we have all been living with. It's the opposite. If we put ourselves first, we are creating an environment where whoever comes into this environment will flourish. That person will flourish because the person who created that environment is full of love, is full of care, and is full of clarity. And so, who is having access to that person's energy will also feel to that level of energy. And you must have observed this thing that कुछ लोग होते हैं who drains your energy. After talking to these people, you feel drained, as if something has been taken out of your body, because they are vibrating in lower energy. But when you meet a person with a higher frequency or high level of energy, you automatically feel yourself happy. You are in high mood and like life's chill. You think like this. So that's all the role of energy. Don't ever think that putting yourself makes you selfish. No, it's not. Because when your cup's full, then only you can serve others. And not only full, when it's overflowing, then you can fill the cup of other people. But when your own cup is empty, how are you? How are you asked, or how can you make other people feel satiated? You can't. You simply can't. For that, you yourself first have to be abundant. In any aspect, if you want to give love to other person, you have to be abundant with love. If you want to be more caring, you have to take care of yourself more first. If you want to give money to the other person, you have to be abundant with money first. Then only you can give. And it works in every aspect. If you want to give knowledge to the other person, you have to gain knowledge first. You see, you're not being selfish. So take that in, and I hope you like this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.